Hi, I'm Carolina Ramirez, and this is a travel guide to adventure people. I'm going to give you some tips if you want to visit Machu Picchu, which is a wonder of the modern world. First, you need to know that Machu Picchu is an old city which is located in the country of Peru in South America. And Machu Picchu is very special because it was built on the top of a mountain and it has been there for a long, long time. These are some recommendations to visit Machu Picchu, Peru. First, you will need permission to enter the city, so you must have your passport and your ID card when you visit Machu Picchu. Usually, the city of Machu Picchu is very rainy, so it's better if you travel during the dry season, from June to November. Also, Machu Picchu is a very touristic place. You have to make a reservation at least 2 months before your trip in order to get the rail ticket and the hotel room in Aguascalientes. What can you do in Machu Picchu? Machu Picchu, as I said before, it is a big city and it has a very different places. But I will recommend you these two special temples, Temple of the Moon and Temple of the Sun. As you can see, on the right hand, Temple of the Sun is located exactly in the middle of the city, outside the mountain. But the Temple of the Moon, it is very special because it is built inside of a natural caves. These temples were very important for the Incas and today are considered sacred places. When to go to Machu Picchu? As I say, it's better if you travel during the dry season. And where to stay? Well, nearby to Machu Picchu, there is a small town called Aguascalientes. In Aguascalientes, you will find hotels, restaurants, and lodgings where you can stay before you go to Machu Picchu. The transportation. If you want to go to Machu Picchu, you need to be prepared for a long trip. First, you must take a train from Ollantaytambo, which is another old city in Peru. This train will take you to the town of Aguascalientes. And then you must take one of the buses that leave you on the top of a mountain of Machu Picchu. Another recommendations. The official currency of Peru is the Nuevo Sol, but the American dollar is accepted in tourist places. Normally, what is established is to leave a tip of 10% of your consumption. And finally, I must say that the Incas had an admiration for caves, and they believed they could connect them with the world of the dead. Machu Picchu is incredible living story, and also an incredible opportunity to visit a sacred, divine, and energetic places. I have been in Machu Picchu, and for me, it was of the most spectacular and wonderful experiences in my life. I hope that you can visit Machu Picchu someday. Bye. Thanks.